Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is Dad's Reviews and I'm Zach. Today we have an exciting product, the Lefant M210 Pro robot vacuum. It was sent to us by Lefant to review and give an honest opinion on how it functions and cleans. If you're tired of spending hours on household chores, this little device might be the answer to your prayers. In this video, we'll dive into performance, features, and overall experience with the Lefant M210 Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. The Lefant M210 Pro arrived neatly packaged inside this little box right here. It contains the robot itself, the side brushes, the pamphlet to quick start, and the QR code for the app. Also the user manual, the dock, and a spare HEPA filter. It has a HEPA filter already mounted inside the dirt bin. The dirt bin fits right snugly inside the robot itself. It's a 500 milliliter dirt bin, which is pretty useful actually. The first thing I've noticed about it was its compact design. It's about 11 inches in diameter by 3 inches tall, which should allow for it to fit in tight spaces, corners, under furniture, etc. Another huge thing that makes this robot different is the fact that when you look underneath, there's no brush roller. It's only a suction port. 2200 pascals of suction is quite a bit. So it should be able to suck things up like hair without getting tangled, pet hair, other debris that normally might get tangled. Now, hair could still get tangled in your side brushes, but they give you a little tool to cut that out with and keep it clean. It's a nice champagne color, as you can see. And you can access the dirt bin just by lifting up this door right here, and on the inside as well is your on and off switch. It is a smart robot. You can control it with an app which allows you to send it out to clean. It has a few different cleaning modes. It can spot clean, it can follow a zigzag line up and down, it can go randomly, but also the front infrared radar allows it to not collide with certain things like furniture and whatnot. It doesn't necessarily have object avoidance like toys or shoes or cables, but it shouldn't really struggle with that, I would hope, because it doesn't have the roller brush. You could turn it on up on top. One press is to let it clean. 2 presses sends it home. So very simple operation, even if you're not accustomed to robot vacuums. From 2020 to 2022, our robot vacuum iterated from the original M201 to the 3rd generation M210P with better function, softer sound, and higher recharging efficiency. Free Move technology is Lefant's original robot vacuum's integrated whole body detection technology. The built-in infrared sensors can sense obstacles encountered by the whole body and retreat, avoid falling downstairs or getting stuck. The smart robot vacuum supports multiple cleaning modes, including zigzag routes, random cleaning, spot cleaning, wall cleaning, and schedule cleaning. You can also manually control its direction. Choose between different modes and suction power as needed via the app. Cleaning is so easy. The M210 Pro robot vacuum cleaner can automatically detect carpet and increases its maximum suction for optimal cleaning performance. The robot is definitely quieter, so no more annoying others around you. It does have a powerful 2200 pascal suction, which may be suitable for people with hair or pets. The M210 Pro has powerful 2200 pascals of suction, which should be able to pick up strands of hair or pet hair as well. The M210 Pro vacuum robot's auto recharging efficiency has been increased greatly. When cleaning is finished or the power supply is low, the vacuum cleaner robot will automatically navigate back to the charging station. The M210 Pro runs for about 2 hours on hardwood floors on a single charge. The M210 Pro expands the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and the efficiency is increased by 2 times, which makes the connection easier, faster, and more stable. The robot can be controlled via the app, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Download the Lefant app for more functions. You can send it back to its charging station, find your robot, and view the real-time cleaning map, etc. This is only going to work on a 2.4 gigahertz network. Alright guys, so in conclusion, the Lefant M210 Pro is a pretty decent vacuum. It picked up majority of the cereal and debris that I laid out in the front room. You can see the evidence here. This is you know, less than a third full, but you can see the majority of stuff in there, right? My finding is this vacuum is going to be for those who have an apartment or smaller home that have a lot of tile or hard surface flooring. My carpet area, it did have to go over the area twice to get majority of the cereal and such. So I would recommend this for someone that has a smaller apartment or home with majority hard floors. The brushless design is pretty cool. It has strong suction, so the way that it contacts that hard surface and just sucks it right up is pretty cool. You know, there's no hair tangled up in it. It's a pretty simple robot to use. You know, one touch operates it, 2 touches is his home. I would recommend this robot if you're on a budget. You can pick it up on Amazon for less than 140 bucks right now, which is a pretty good deal. I do like the fact that it doesn't slam into things. So once again, a good robot for an even better price for someone looking for something to help around the house. Thank you, Lefant, for sending me this robot to review, and thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't yet, give me a like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think. Do you own one of these? Do you own another robot? Are there any that I should probably review? Until then, y'all have a good one. Stay blessed and stay safe.